Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change video resolution and frame rate on your DJI Osmo 360. To change your frame rate or resolution, you first want to make sure you're on the mode you want to do this, panoramic video in this case for example, and then swipe from the bottom up to enter the settings. Here you can change the resolution from 8K, 6K, 4K, and then alongside that also change the FPS at the bottom with lower resolutions, of course, allowing for higher frame rates, but 4K has only 100 FPS. You can do the same for photos, just changing between 30 megapixels and 120, and then also setting the countdown, which I believe you should also be able to do in panoramic video by going into here and maybe not. You can change the preview sizes. But that's it for this video. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.